Have you ever wondered how people manage to live their dream life and still make extra money without completely changing their routine? It's not about sacrificing the things you love, like your morning coffee or weekend getaways, but about finding smart ways to earn more while keeping your lifestyle intact. If you want to learn how to earn extra income without major lifestyle changes, then today's video is just for you. In this video, I'm going to share 5 beginner-friendly side hustles that anyone can start today. Whether you want to add more funds to your savings, pay off some debt, or just earn extra spending money, these side hustles can help you achieve your goals. Let's jump right into them. 1. Faceless short-form content creation. Short-form content is exploding across platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even Snapchat. And the best part is, you don't need to show your face to make money from it. The demand for quick, engaging videos is higher than ever, as these platforms compete for attention. Content creators are in demand, and if you're good at crafting short, attention-grabbing clips, you could start earning significant income without being on camera. You don't need any special equipment, just your phone and an internet connection to get started. This side hustle is all about creativity, and with a little practice, you can quickly figure out what works and what doesn't. The key to success here is learning the art of hooking viewers in the first few seconds, which increases your chances of making your content go viral. As your content reaches a wider audience, you can start monetizing and even diversify your content across multiple channels and niches. Not only is it easy to start, but once you get the hang of it, you can scale and reach more people. With platforms willing to pay for engaging content, earning $1,000 a month becomes not only possible but achievable with consistency. Over time, this could become a reliable source of income, with the potential to turn into a full-time venture if you dedicate yourself to posting regularly and refining your content strategy. 2. Investing for beginners. When most people think of investing, they picture complex charts and high-level finance. But investing doesn't have to be complicated. It's about understanding the basics and applying them consistently. With dollar-cost averaging, you invest a fixed amount of money into the market regularly, regardless of whether the market is up or down. This strategy smooths out the ups and downs of the market and, over time, can lead to impressive returns. The best part of investing is that you don't need a lot of time to start. It's about consistency. You can begin with a small amount, even as little as $1, and build your portfolio over time. You don't need a degree in finance to get started, just an understanding of the principles. As you grow more comfortable with the process, you can increase your investments, and eventually, you'll see those $1,000 months. Investing doesn't require full-time attention either. Once you've set up your automatic monthly investments, it's a passive way to build wealth over the long term. And as the market works in your favor, your initial investment can grow, allowing you to earn more over time. So, it's not about getting rich overnight, but consistently making smart investment choices that will pay off for years to come. 3. Discord server management. If you're familiar with Discord, you know how much power it holds as a communication platform. Originally for gamers, it's now a tool used by businesses, influencers, and communities worldwide to connect and collaborate. Managing Discord servers for others is a unique side hustle that can bring in steady income, especially as the platform continues to grow in popularity. If you're tech-savvy and enjoy organizing communities, this could be a perfect fit for you. Getting started is simple. You only need a computer and internet access. Learn how to set up and manage servers, and offer your services to those who need help getting their communities off the ground. As you build your skills, you can offer more complex services, like customizing servers for clients or creating bots for better management. Over time, you can develop a reputation and start charging clients more for premium services. Running multiple clients on retainer is a great way to earn $1,000 a month by simply managing a few servers. The best part? Discord is such an accessible platform that anyone can learn the ropes quickly. And if you're good at building and maintaining thriving communities, the demand for your services could easily grow. The more value you provide, the higher the rates you can charge, and eventually, this could become a solid and rewarding side business. 4. Online coaching. Do you have a skill or expertise that others might want to learn? Whether it's fitness, business coaching, photography, or even personal finance, online coaching is a fantastic side hustle. The digital world has made it easier than ever to connect with people and offer your knowledge. You don't need a certification to get started. What matters most is your ability to help others achieve their goals. Once you've identified your niche, you can start offering your services via video calls or even pre-recorded sessions. Online coaching allows you to set your own schedule and work with clients from anywhere, giving you the freedom to manage your time effectively. Plus, you can start by offering one-on-one coaching and scale it into group sessions, creating more income opportunities without needing to double your workload. With a well-defined coaching program and consistent marketing, earning $1,000 a month can happen faster than you think. And the best part? You're helping people while getting paid for your expertise. You could even create an online course or a membership site, allowing you to generate passive income once your content is ready. Online coaching is a highly scalable side hustle that doesn't just bring in money, it also gives you the freedom to work on your own terms. 5. AI animation creation. The rise of AI technology has opened up some exciting opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs. One such opportunity is AI animation, where you can use advanced tools to create animations without needing to master complex animation software. AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, script content, and even create visual animations, making it easier than ever to start this creative side hustle. While AI can do much of the heavy lifting, you still need to develop your animation skills. Once you get the basics down, AI tools allow you to speed up the process and create more high-quality animations faster than ever before. Whether you want to create animations for businesses, YouTubers, or even content creators, there's a growing demand for these services, as more people look for ways to stand out in an increasingly digital world. Starting an AI animation side hustle requires minimal initial investment, and with the right skills, you can begin attracting clients who want to enhance their content. Making $1,000 per month is very achievable, especially with AI helping you scale your work. As AI adoption continues to grow, this side hustle is only going to become more profitable, giving you the chance to get ahead of the competition early. As you can see, there are 5 beginner-friendly side hustles you can start today without changing your lifestyle or sacrificing your favorite things. From creating content to online coaching and even leveraging AI for animation, the opportunities are endless. The key is to start with something that fits your skills and interests, and over time, you can build a steady stream of income that supplements your current finances. So, which of these side hustles will you try first? Whether you're just looking to make a few hundred extra dollars or build a long-term business, there's something here for everyone. Don't wait. Take the first step today and start building your future. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on growing your income and reaching your financial goals. I'll see you in the next video.